In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Plus option not showing up in your account. So first of all, what you should do is go to Play Store, search for Instagram, then check if there is any update available. If there is, then update your app and try to relaunch it. Now, next thing that you can do is go to Settings. There, scroll down below until you find Apps, click on it, then go to App Management. Here, search for Instagram. Click on it. Then you will find storage uses. Click on it. Then there is clear data and clear cache written in bright red. Make sure you click on clear cache. And once the cache is cleared, let's go back and try to relaunch the app. You can also try restarting your device. And if it is still not working, let's go to Instagram. Then click on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then in the top right, you will see these 3 vertical lines. Click on it. Scroll down till the end. There you will find help option. Click on it. Then click on report a problem. Here tap on report problem without shaking. Then press include and continue. Here write this. Hello Instagram support team. Instagram Plus subscription option is not showing up on my account. I have tried everything from my side and the feature is still missing. Please fix it as soon as possible. Thank you. Then click send. And then wait for 24 hours and your problem will be solved now. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.